Hi everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to restart or reset taskbar on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to restart or reset your taskbar on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. First of all, you can see here, this is a taskbar. You just need to right click on that and you have to open Task Manager. First you have to click on this Process tab. After that, in this you need to find Windows Explorer. You have to scroll down. You can see Windows Explorer. You have to right click on that, then click on Restart. After doing this, your taskbar will be restarted. That's it guys. So in this way you can restart or reset taskbar on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.